This tutorial shows you how to access and use the live session room for your sessions. You will learn how to join a live session, manage your audio and microphone settings, use lossless audio, enable real-time translation, communicate with your musician, share your screen, and make the most of your collaboration experience inside the studio. Before joining the room, make sure you understand how to allow our application to access your camera and microphone. Otherwise, you may not have a good experience in the room. As soon as you click the button to join the session, your computer will ask for permission to access your microphone and camera, as shown on the screen. Just click Allow this time or always while visiting this site. Now that you're inside the session, let's go over everything. It's all very simple, but we'll walk you through what you need to know. The first thing you should do is make sure your audio input is configured correctly. This will determine which microphone you are using. In most cases, this will be your default microphone, but you may have other options available depending on your setup. When you click on Audio Input, a list of available devices will appear. In my case, these are the options currently available. If you need to change anything, simply select the option that works best for you. Now it's time to understand how you will receive audio coming directly from the musician's DAW. All you need to do is this. Once the musician is in the room with you, ready to play and record, simply enable this button to receive high-quality audio directly from their DAW. If you do not enable this option, you will not be able to receive the live stream sent by the musician. Please note, the microphone audio will still work and you will still be able to communicate with the musician, but if that button is not enabled, you will not receive the high-quality audio from the DAW. If you notice any issues with the audio, such as crackling, dropouts, or audio popping, let the musician know immediately, as this can be caused either by internet issues, yours or the musician's, or by the buffer settings in the musician's DAW. In that case, the musician can adjust the buffer to try to fix the issue. Sometimes, more than one adjustment may be needed until the audio becomes stable. Please note, even if your internet seems to be working fine, stability issues can happen for many reasons and may affect real-time audio streaming. Often simply leaving the room, refreshing the browser, and rejoining can resolve some of these possible issues. It is very important that you use good quality headphones and that your device has proper audio settings. Otherwise, you may lose some audio quality. Also make sure you are in a quiet place, using a reliable computer with a stable internet connection and good quality headphones. If you and the musician don't speak the same language and they can't communicate in yours, you can use the real-time interpreter during the session. Just turn on the interpreter and select your language. That's the language you'll hear when the musician is speaking their own language. However, for the interpreter to work, both participants need to turn it on and select their language. It won't work if only one person has it enabled or if a language hasn't been selected by both participants. And here's a short demo of the interpreter.
The production turned out really good, and now it's going to make my life easier. Because honestly, now I just need to pick up the bass here and start doing it. I already understood your idea, but anyway, I'll say it again. If you need anything else.
If you are having trouble communicating through the voice call and need to ask the musician to enable the interpreter, you can also send a message directly through the session room. In that case, we recommend using English, since it is a universal language. If needed, you can also use translation tools to help you write the message. Finally, this is where you can share your screen if needed. Depending on the browser you are using, this feature may behave a little differently since some browsers may limit what can be shared. That's it for today, and thank you so much for using Sessions Boutique.